This is just a short video for those of you that have got the new QuickBooks menu, which is on the left-hand side here. If you haven't got this yet, then you will be getting it soon, so it's worth watching. It is quite different to the old menu. They've hidden some things away in these different headings, and initially I found it quite confusing, but I do quite like it now, and it's for this reason, because you can add bookmarks. So I would suggest you come down here to bookmarks, click on that, and then tick all the areas that you use on a regular basis. So for example, bank transactions, perhaps customers, my accountant if I send you videos and we exchange data through there. Let's see, payroll if you use payroll, reports, reconcile for reconciling the bank, VAT. And then once you've done that, you just say save. And then those items will appear here. And every time you open up QuickBooks, they will be there. So that's all your common ones. Now, if you want to change that, say for example, you want my accountant to be down at the bottom because I only send you videos every 6 months or so, say, click into the little pencil and you can drag using this little tool here. You can drag my accountant down to the bottom. You might want reports to be a little bit higher up and then just say save. And that will reorganize that area there. You can also reorganize this area here if you wanted to, again by clicking on the little pencil there. You can move things around, so you might not like this get things done, you might want to put that at the bottom. You might want to get, say, the payroll up there. You can play around with it. You can take these out and they will disappear off this left-hand menu, but I wouldn't recommend that really, because if you forget to put something in the bookmarks area, you might struggle to find it. So I would generally leave the ticks in there, but you could reorganize if you want to, and of course you can always reset to default there. So let's just save that. That's it really. Any questions, then give me a shout.